Hi guys, I'm back and I forgot to show you my slime collection. So my galaxy slime, that's not very galaxy anymore because I kept on squishing it and it became like a darkish purple brown. And now I got this butter slime. It says butter, but on the screen it says it's backwards. But anyways, it's still butter, and guess what's next? You can't believe this one. It's another butter. Yeah, so basically, I have two butters for some reason. Duplicates. Actually, there's a maple syrup. These two go together. And there also used to be another maple syrup for this butter, but I lost it. Well, these are the little num-nums I got, or mushy. I don't know. I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. This is the Smushy pack, Mystery Yum Num pack, Mystery Munchie pack, and I got the waffle and chickens, chicken and waffle. I got duck and waffles, chicken and waffles. You know, see, I got the chicken and waffles, duck and waffles, same thing. These two go with the chicken and turkey waffles. I don't know. So this is the waffles. There's actually two waffles. And you can see on this, it says stack and squish right here. So you add maple syrup and butter or something like that. And then you squish them together and you have your chicken waffle sandwich. These are the two waffles. One's a boy, one's a girl. This is the turkey. And guess what? The turkey or duck is squishy. I can tell that this is a girl turkey. So these guys aren't squishy, they're bendy. They're rubber though. Bendy rubber. And let's see, this is a guide. Let's see which one I got. These ones are Valentine's lunchbox notes. It says, share notes of kindness with your friends and family. Simply cut along the dotted line and make someone's day a little sweet and smushy. Okay, so this one says have a very good day. Do you get it? And then the chicken and waffle one says you are waffly sweet. There's another one that says taco about awesome, which means talk about awesome. And have a very day means have a very good day. And then you are waffly sweet means you are awfully sweet. And then treat yourself more. That means treat yourself more. And then this little bunny toasties peanut butter and jelly says you are somebody special, which is your somebody special. And this one says cake my day, which is, I don't know what that means. Daddy? Tomorrow can you pack me the bees in the lunch? Just cut them? And then you pack it in my lunch. Make sure you pack it in a lunch box, okay? Remember that. I'm back. Now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's make our duck and waffle sandwiches. But first, we'll show you what our slimes look like. The moment all we've been waiting for is to make this chicken and waffle sandwich and show you our other slimes we have. So you can, So you can see that my galaxy slime turned into my galaxy slime turned to a feeling slime. Exactly, but my friend Adele gave me this for Valentine's Day. It's February. Anyways, tomorrow's Ash Wednesday and I can't wait. Well, I could wait at least. Well, I can't wait for tomorrow because I'm carpooling. My friend did. Oh man, so that is my galaxy slime, which is not galaxy anymore. This is my butter slime, actually. My butter slime. 2 butter slimes. Do you want me to open them and see what they look like? So this is one butter slime. It has like little dots. That's one butter slime. Let's see what the other butter slime looks like. Yes, this other butter slime is like perfect, you know? This is more squishy than this. Oh wait. I can tell why this is more squishier than this. This one's like kind of dried out, you know? This one is gonna be like horriblest butter slime ever. So that's why we're using this butter slime. This wondrous, wonderful butter. It smells like bananas to me. Smells so good. This slime is scented, by the way, because it smells like bananas and butter. Actually, it more smells like bananas than butter. It actually smells like bananas. Why couldn't they call this banana slime, you know? I don't get it. Okay. We're not going to be using butter for this chicken and waffle sandwich. Instead, we're making maple syrup. The maple syrup, actually, you're not supposed to open the cap. For some reason, you're supposed to open the bottom, like this. See, you open the bottom, and now you take out the maple syrup. It's like a little bubble. You open the maple syrup slime. It smells like maple syrup and is glittery. So first of all, we get the maple syrup, right? No, wait, first. You get the 2 waffles. Smash them on the table. Next off, you just smash. You get the maple syrup, smash it on the waffle like this. Smash, smash, smash. I mean, smash, 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 smash. Smash it crazy. Smash. I say smash, smash. Oh, this is failing. Smash, 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 smash. Okay, after you smashed it like that, got the chicken that's super squishy. That's a squishy. And then get the waffle, smash the chicken on. Get the other waffle that's blank, smash the chicken on. And now what you want to do? Squeeze, I say. Squeeze, I say. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that. Squeeze, I say. Squeeze. And now you're ready to serve. I'm just going to eat in silence. Ow. That was yummy. And I still have more. Anyways, I can't really eat this because this is a toy, so I'm just going to serve it to... Yeah, that's right. My invisible friend. There you go. Have fun. Your waffle and chicken sandwich. But this is how normal people like to eat their waffle and chicken sandwiches. Well, they don't really eat in the sandwich. I'll set up it. Sorry, that's the farting sound of me putting maple syrup in the bottle. Anyways, I'm going to go back. I'll be back. So, I got this paper plate here. I'm going to show you an example and set up a meal for you guys. Let's see if you're hungry. It's a mystery meal. I'm making you guys a mystery meal, so fine. Yeah, well, they will, Daddy. People make very long videos, I say.
Nonsense videos.
Hey,
Yeah,
Daddy, you.
shorten the videos up. Make it simple. Not like nonsense.
Well, there's nothing even to do in this house. It's boring. So I got the syrup.
Pepper the 9 and you better go 5. Put the pepper away. Nicole. I'll go eat your cheese sandwich.
It's on the table.
Pepper, you better be behaving.
There is your mystery meal. See? Look. Your mystery meal. So, first of all, we got the butter on the side. And also the maple, the chicken leg, and the waffles. You know, that's your meal. So, yeah. Have fun. Sorry, guys. I have to go.
Sit,
Bye.
Pepper.